How to control battery usage in Windows? Do you often run low on power on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop? A host of settings can extend your PC battery life. Table of contents. The battery charge on your Windows laptop is down to 10%. There no AC outlet inside, and you don't have an external power source. What do you do here? How to adjust certain setting in Windows to coax a few extra minutes of battery life from your PC in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Manage battery usage in Windows 10. In Windows 10, click the battery icon on the system tray to pop up notification shows your current battery charge. To reduce the remaining drain on the battery, move the slider on the bar to the left until it snaps to the setting for best battery life. Depending on your current charge and the capacity of your battery, that could buy you an extra hour or two before the charge is depleted. Click the battery setting link or go to setting system into battery to dive into additional settings. Enable the battery saver feature so your computer can automatically limit certain activities to preserve your battery charge. Click the drop down menu and select when battery saver should automatically turn on. Your best bet is to set it to 10% or 20%, but you can also have it set to always check the box for lower screen brightness while in battery saver. The next time battery saver kicks in, your screen will dim. Scroll down the page to see which applications chew up the most battery power during a typical day or week. By default, the list displays apps for the past 24 hours. Click the time period to change it to 1 week. You can then limit their use or tweak their settings. Click on app to see the percentage of battery usage that occurred in the foreground versus the background. If you see a higher percentage for the background, then the app is one you may want to close when you are not actively using it and open it only when you need it. To further control your battery usage, go to setting into system into power and sleep. Here you set how long before your screen goes blank or your computer goes to sleep, both under battery power and when plugged in. The option range from 1 minute to never. You shall want your screen to turn off and your PC to go to sleep sooner when on battery power than when plugged in. Play around with the setting to see which ones work best during a typical day. If you want to preserve your battery charge, keep the setting for battery power on the low side, maybe an hour or two before your screen dims and 2 hours before your PC goes to sleep. Manage battery usage in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11, click the battery icon on the system tray. The number in the bottom left corner displays the current battery charge. Reducing the screen brightness goes a long way toward preserving your charge. Move the slider on the bar to the left to a level that dims the screen but still allows you to see and use it clearly enough. Click the battery saver button to turn on battery saver mode. You can further manage battery and power setting if you right click on battery saver and choose